Web Soil Survey, or WSS, is a web application offered by the USDA that can present highly detailed information about the soil properties of land all across the U.S. In terms of biochar usage, the WSS can show the properties of a given soil area. Biochar can have greater benefits in some soil areas than others. For example, lower quality soils might show a better response with biochar addition. Conversely, soils on slope land may be prone to erosion that don't allow biochar to remain in the soil. These are just two examples. So the WSS can help you tell more about the soil in question and to help you make the most out of the biochar investment. In this video tutorial, we're going to explain how we can use the WSS to verify how useful biochar can be depending upon our soil type. To begin to use the Web Soil Survey, you first have to select which geographic area you are interested in applying biochar to. So here, I wrote down the address for ARTi, and I selected the area that I want to use biochar, that I want to cover. Once I've defined an area of interest, I go to the Soil Map section here. They give me the types of area, the types of soil they have in the USDA, for example, 120C2. We come here and they classify it as Tama Silt Clay Loam. 5 to 9% is slope and eroded. And they have information on how many acres of the total area that have been selected corresponding to this one. So we can see here also this classification that they use. We can see more information about the soil, so more properties, inequalities, runoff as a class, and most necessary information. So here, once we have this information, we go to, for example, chemical properties. And let's see the pH. Okay, it's a description of the pH and why it's important. So, view rating. Let's select the surface layer. So we have here, for the area that you have selected, you have different pH depending on which soil type you have. So if we have 5B, we come here and we know that the pH is 5.9 here. We can see more specifications about the rating because in some cases, or some properties, we have a percentage. We have here a description of the units of the rating. You can see here the rating of, or the pH for each soil type that we have in this area that we have selected. Much of what the WSS displays are dynamic soil properties, meaning they can be changed through the soil management. Areas prone to flooding or stones present in the soil are other factors that cannot be changed. Soil properties overlap and create the larger soil picture. One property alone won't make the soil suitable or unsuitable for biochar application, but a number of factors put together will help determine this. The WSS can help you see the larger picture. The WSS will display the expected response of biochar application to the soil area selected. This shows where on the ground the best outcomes from biochar application will be seen and can be a great planning tool. You can navigate to Soil Data Explorer, then Suitabilities and Limitations for Use tab. Then from the Soil Health Explorer pane, you can navigate down to Dynamic Soil Properties Response to biochar. You can get metadata and literature citations as well. You can also select ratings and get a rating for biochar potential for each section of the map. The Web Soil Survey can be a powerful tool to help you make the most of your biochar application on your particular soil. Please try it and feel free to offer feedback on your experience with the WSS in the comments section of this blog. Thank you.